Hello YouTube. Bon, on va se faire un petit repos long. Et puis on va aller explorer les fameux
Zahira,
coffres.
Boo is trying his best to explain, but I still do not understand your anger.
Do not hide behind your hamster, Ranger. You do not understand because you do not listen. We were the first to discover the cult. And if you had only waited, we might have marshaled our numbers and...
Good does not wait for evil to button up its breeches. When it offers buttocks for the smacking, Minsk and Boo greet cheek with hand.
Les soirées sont sympas.
It is well that Boo's innocent ears still ring from all this shouting.
This mess falls on our heads, Minsk. The city under siege, its people poisoned by the cult. It all might have been avoided if you had just put your feelings aside and listened.
Ou la piste aurait pu s'arrêter là, au lieu de vous mener à Keterik, au prisme et à moi.
I have seen too much to believe destiny has taken our side. Blind luck, perhaps. The point remains. You meant well, Minsk. But you exposed the city to harm. You helped the cult spread. And worse, perhaps than any of this, you forced me to leave you behind.
But this is where Minsk falls short of the understanding, Jahira. What else is a berserker for if not to charge into danger ahead of his Waklaren?
Wiklaren? Minsk, I am not your witch. You are not my bodyguard. This is not some high lodge of your homeland.
Boo agrees you're a queer kind of witch. But this city is a queer place. And Minsk, you may have noticed, is sometimes strange himself. The titles matter not. Only this. When Minsk does as Minsk does, and charges in to make a mess, Jahira does as Jahira does, and finds a way to save us all anyway.
Andromedy n'a vraiment rien appris. Génial.
Well, at least you're getting to know him a little better. I am your friend, Ranger. I am not your witch. There will be no ointments or healing balms.
Not even for Boo?
Super. Ah. Qui? Ombre cœur.
I need a moment for the two of us. I can still feel the Shadowfell all over me. Still hear her words in my ear. I feel unclean.
Alors que voudriez-vous faire à ce sujet?
I want to wash it away. All of it. I have an idea, but I'll need your help.
Que faut-il que je fasse?
Just wait until the others are asleep, then come with me. There's a place we can go. Down the coast a little.
Si c'est ce que vous voulez, je serai là.
Good. Until then, get some rest while you can. This will do. Get in the water.
J'ai pas de quoi me changer pour me baigner.
Neither did I. Come on then. We've already come this far.
Faire ce qu'elle dit.
My feet aren't touching the bottom anymore. It's terrifying. Do people really enjoy this?
Vous pouvez vous accrocher à moi si vous avez peur.
You know, you didn't need to wait until I was in the water to hold me. Come here. Thank you. I needed that. I needed to know I can face things without Shah. I don't want to go back. Not just yet. Now don't you dare stop.
Hop. Non, c'est bon. Alors, Will. Ok. C'est quoi, je vais même faire ça. Le corbeau j'utilise pas, je vais juste faire sortir la bête éclipsante. Ce sera peut-être un peu moins le boxon aussi. Ok. Allons explorer. Bien, bien, bien. Et s'il m'emmerde, je les tue tous. Voilà. Astarion. J'ai juste besoin de lui. Et c'est tout. Projeter. Livre avec fermoir. Tadam. Alors c'est là que du coup j'ai besoin d'un tout petit comité. J'ai besoin de hop et de Gale. J'ai pas besoin de tout le monde. Ce tout petit comité fera largement l'affaire.
don't have permission to be here. You're about to
On va
be
le convaincre,
ejected.
voilà, on va essayer de le convaincre qu'on n'est pas un intrus. Eh ben. Ça passe.
Congratulations, you...
On y va. Prendre tout le monde, ça reviendrait à s'encombrer.
I was trying to concentrate. Let's go.
On a surtout besoin des talents d'Astarion.
That's curious.
Pour crocheter les pièges.
Hardly a challenge.
De Gale pour l'histoire. Et de mon personnage pour l'histoire. Cette lampe, on n'y touche surtout pas.
All's well that ends not as bad as it could have.
Quite some valuable knowledge hidden between these pages.
Et ce parchemin, je vais le donner à Gale. Alors d'ailleurs, je vais faire ça. Et je vais envoyer tous les parchemins que j'ai à Gale. Est-ce que ça c'est considéré comme des parchemins? Non. Hein. Gale. Tac. On connaît, on connaît. C'est un sort qui est unique. Ok. Maintenant, magicien. On va aller chercher ça. C'est littéralement ça, projectile magique, mais en plus fort. Et c'est utilisable une fois par coup repos, ok. D'accord. Hmm. Faut que je réfléchisse à trouver une solution. Pour tout, pour... Oh. Ah. Test de discrétion. Ok. Dommage. Ça, il y a peu de chances que je l'utilise. Il me semble que... Bah non, je suis bête, j'ai déjà bouclier. On va prendre ça. Ça peut servir. On va prendre ça. Son objectif, ça va quand même être de sauver le père de Will à un moment. Quand même. Du coup, il va falloir que je trouve une solution pour ça. Enfin bref. Je digresse. C'est pas vraiment le sujet. Attendez, j'aimerais bien lire un truc. Faudra que je fasse des tests. Parce que... En fait, ce que j'aimerais savoir, c'est... comment tant que les personnages sont en dessous, c'est bon. Ou s'il y a des ennemis qui vont sous la barrière, bah au final ils peuvent quand même prendre des dégâts.
Let's see here.
Oh. On va l'envoyer à Gale. Hein. Gale. Je me demande s'il peut la prendre. Je pense pas. Mais...
I applaud your taste.
Oh, il peut. Alors là, attendez, bougez pas. Oh, ça peut être super intéressant. Waouh. On se rend pas compte à quel point ça peut être super fort. Je peux littéralement invoquer un D20.
Everything is clear.
C'est exceptionnel.
What now? A crooked touch.
Là, à ce stade du jeu, Gale est tellement puissant. On se rend pas compte, mais... Là, enfin, c'est une menace. Genre vraiment, c'est une menace. Alors, stop. On bouge plus. Et là, c'est le moment
There's Ramazith, Elminster, Silverhand, and Carsus. The animals must be behind his door.
Voilà, il faut désamorcer les pièges. Ok. Donc je pense qu'il faut commencer par Carsus. Comment ça? Ben, main d'argent. Ah oui, non, ok. Là, c'est les épreuves et... ok.
How considerate.
On bouge pas. Allez, Astarion. Ah. Deux en moins de 2 minutes, hein, quand même. Hein. Alors, d'après mes souvenirs, il faut aller dans Évocation. J'espère ne pas me tromper. De toute façon, dans le pire des cas, c'est...
Someone's left a trap out for us.
Tout ce que ça fait, ça... Ah, d'accord.
Traps. How considerate.
Tout ce que ça fait, ça fait une boucle. C'est comme un labyrinthe.
A trap. Someone
Si c'est pas le bon truc, je reviens en arrière, quoi. D'ailleurs,
Shouldn't
attends,
have wished to live in more
on va
interesting
bien voir un
times.
truc. Ouais, j'ai des emplacements de sorts. Hop là. Paladin, je t'avoue que bon. Il n'y a même pas sanctuaire.
Well, hello. A trap.
Le
Someone
cambion, ça peut être bien.
visitors.
Bien. Donc. Souhait.
Shall we? Oh dear. Someone's left a trap out for us.
Ah, ça permet d'ouvrir la première porte.
Oh dear. Someone's left a trap out for
Bougez
us.
pas. Donc, la première, c'est bon.
Interesting.
Invulnérabilité. Ah, vous voyez, on revient. Donc, on a débloqué la première porte. On fera les deux en une fois. On va essayer abjuration.
Be careful. There are traps about. Traps. How considerate. Be careful. There are traps about.
Ok. Alors là, il va falloir trouver la bonne porte. Je pense que c'est démon. Raté. C'était pas démon. Ombre. Ah. Ok. On va essayer transmutation. Non. Ok, donc c'était bien dans abjuration. Sauvage. Hein? Ah, attendez. Je suis bête. La porte, en fait. Bah non. Si? Non. Bah illusion alors? Bah non. Main d'argent? Ok, on va retourner dans l'évocation. Ah ok, non. Ok, j'ai compris. Évocation. Clairvoyance. Hein? Bah enfin. Attendez, on va faire les choses... Bah... Moi je suis juste bête en fait.
Keep a blade close.
Traps. How considerate.
Je me casse la tête alors que j'avais juste à ouvrir la porte derrière moi. Oh! Je fais beaucoup d'échecs critiques je trouve, hein. C'est pas super.
There are traps about.
Allez hop. Bien. On va commencer par Elminster.
Let's move. These boots have seen everything.
Oh! On va envoyer ça à Gale tout de suite, c'est vraiment fort.
Salutations.
Je peux carrément le mettre. Hein.
I can do better. I must.
Trust no one. With pleasure.
Is that blood? No, never mind.
Je vais ramasser ça.
Read
Je vais
deep
pas le lire de
and
suite. Et enfin, Karsus.
Cursed to put my hands on everything. Wish I had a bag of holding.
Bon, est-ce que j'ai vraiment besoin de... Parchemin de déposition. Les annales de Karsus.
The Annals of Karsus. The preamble to a civilization's downfall, committed to parchment by the very hand that wrought its destruction. The truth of the crown, I hope. All that stands between us and enlightenment is the turn of a page.
Tendre le livre à Gale.
This isn't what I expected. This is much more. The crown of Karsus. And this is no mere journal. It contains Karsus's original plans for the crown's construction. His designs for godhood.
Pour moi, ça ressemble plus au patron à suivre pour s'anéantir. Cette couronne n'a-t-elle pas tué Karsus?
Not exactly. It was what he did with it that sealed his fate, and, for a time, that of magic itself. The crown was merely the means. The book states that the crown and Netherstones were originally one construct, seemingly sundered at the moment of Karsus's downfall. If we can collect the crown's setting and the 3 Netherstones, and with the correct invocation of certain spells and gestures detailed in these notes, I think I could reforge it.
C'est cette couronne qui a provoqué toutes ces catastrophes. Nous devrions chercher un moyen de la détruire, pas de la rendre plus puissante.
Do not mistake the crown itself for the actions of its wearer, or rather, those controlling its wearer at present. If we could restore its former glory, it would no longer be a mere leash and collar used to subjugate friend or foe. It would be something greater. Something divine. Just think of it. The power of the gods in mortal hands at last. Would be free of doctrine and dogma, confined only by the limits of our imagination.
Ça changerait rien.
We
Ce
must
serait juste
discuss
un
this
dieu de
further,
plus.
but quietly, privately. Find me later, and I will show you something truly divine. I will show you what a crown like this could mean for both of us.
Qu'est-ce qui vous empêche de me le dire tout de suite?
Afraid not. What I have to show you requires us to be its only witness, and our minds to share in the most exquisite concentration. Don't worry. Your patience will be amply rewarded.
Il m'énerve quand il fait ça. Waouh. Gale. J'hésiterais presque à me mettre un niveau de magicien juste pour l'apprendre.
Mind's never quiet.
J'hésite. Ça me permettrait d'apprendre des sorts de nécromancie en plus. Je sais pas. Bien, faut rentrer non.
Have I been this way before?
Ça me met un debuff, mais ça va être nécessaire. Hop, ouvrir. Lire.
The book radiates power, but the words you read in the Codex echo in your mind, guiding your eyes safely across the page. The once indecipherable glyphs now feel dangerously familiar, promising unholy power to those who can take it.
Allez. Je le veux. Bien.
As you pass the strange glyphs, you can feel the book resisting. Ghostly voices whisper at you from the dark, probing and fighting your mind. But your will is iron, and you brush past these shades of the past, devouring every secret the book has to offer. You see now life and death are malleable as clay, to be bent and reshaped by your will, by your power. But as you close the book, a nagging doubt whispers in your mind. What consequences will there be for calling the dead from their rest?
Je suis pas censé avoir un nouveau ça. Si. Danse macabre. Seulement je peux avoir plus de d'emplacement de ça. Ok, il me semble que... Dévance des malédictions. Je vais enlever ça et je vais prendre ça. Quoi? Ah, je me trompe. Je vais virer... Imprécation. Et je vais prendre délivrance des malédictions. Hop là. Je sais plus ce que j'avais viré. Imprécation. Bon. Je vais aller chercher sanctuaire plutôt. Ça pourra servir pour éventuellement tenter de sauver... Non, pas concentration. Ok. Intéressant. Je peux essayer de farfouiller ici. Pourquoi tu regardes là, toi? Je vais pas devoir vous tuer.
One step at a time. Let's prowl. Let's crack it open.
Au pire. Qu'est-ce que tu vas faire? Tu fais le malin, je te tue.
You don't have permission to be here. You're about to be ejected.
On va l'intimider. Oh, avec avantage et autant de bonus? C'est triste, hein.
Congratulations, you've convinced them.
Non mais...
much further can I
Visiblement, il y
go?
avait rien. Est-ce que tu sers de
Something's on my mind.
boutique?
Welcome. I am an
The Rohirrim's in the
to browse. If you are a city official here to collect dues, say taxes. For all other inquiries, say other.
Ah, bah si. Attendez. Bon, c'est globalement la même chose. Je vois rien de très significatif.
Gale, Ilsk worries you might send a fireball up his butt with all of this.
Ok, mais je pense qu'on va s'arrêter là.
Elminster.
Ah,
Oh, hello, my boy. No, don't mind me. I'm just enjoying a lungful of bull durian now. There's a distinctive aroma, though perhaps not one worthy of bottling. Tell me, what curiosities have you and your companions discovered within the walls of this esteemed emporium?
ne semblez pas tellement surpris de voir Gale en vie et bien portant.
I trusted he would be sensible enough to exercise caution in this matter and to seek the truth. By now, you are aware of the evil we are up against. Karsus' pestilent crown, the very tool with which its eponymous creator unmade an empire and magic itself. Perhaps now you understand what is at stake here, my boy. Though what Mystra asked of you was extreme, it was not without merit, nor demanded lightly.
What are you saying? Or rather, what are you not saying?
Mystra knows you defied her game. But of course she knows. She's Mystra. She bids you come to her holy shrine in the Stormshore Tabernacle. There, she will grant you an audience at last.
Vous devriez aller la voir, Gale, il pourrait peut-être nous aider.
I'm curious enough to make the attempt. All right. An audience with the mother of magic, it is.
Perhaps that should have been your mission right from the start. Trust in yourself. Trust in the weave. If you are willing, trust in Mystra. There is a conclusion yet to be written in this sorry tale, Gale of Waterdeep. And yours is the quill that will write it.
Alors potentiellement, je vais pouvoir invoquer plein de trucs. Je me demande si je peux invoquer plusieurs entités en même
All
temps.
it took to get Mistra's attention was to learn how to reforge an artifact that once destroyed her. It's obvious when you stop to think about it.
Quand pourrait-elle savoir ce que nous avons lu ce livre? Serait-elle donc à ce point désœuvrée?
The Weave is a highly sensitive, magical network threaded through all life on this plane. Any shift in magical energy, no matter how small, is akin to a beacon, alerting Mystra to its cause. Opening a book, like the Annals of Carsus, was akin to us shooting a firework spelling, "Look at us, Mystra," directly into the skies of Elysium. She knows. This is a conversation that's long overdue on both sides. I owe it to her to hear her out. Come what may afterwards.
Allez, en route.
After you.
On va aller faire ça.
But it is a fine thing to walk with friends beneath the warming sun.
Friends might be a stretch, but otherwise, yes, I fully agree.
You might have your cloudy locks.
It's been some time since I stood before her in a place like this.
We will be like twins, eh?
I'm sure you'll understand if I remain
We will?
unbowed.
Gods! 200 years and I've never missed seeing my reflection more.
Petit ministre.
There she stands, just as Elminster promised. Mystra, goddess of the weave, mother of all magic.
The old man wasn't lying. She's opened the summoning channel. Can't you feel it?
Gale's right. The very air around the statue crackles with magic. It sets your teeth on edge.
A stream of pure, undiluted weave. I only have to reach out, and it will carry me to Mystra, wherever she may be.
Your goddess calls. Serve her or denounce her as you will, but you cannot ignore her.
Time was, I'd have given my right arm for a chance to speak with Mystra again. The left one, too. Maybe a knee.
Vous êtes prêt, Gale?
Am I? You're right. I am a strong, capable wizard. And this is no more than a casual reunion with an ex-lover. My omnipotent, omniscient ex-lover. I always wonder what being nervous would feel like. I hate it.
C'est où ce que vous allez lui dire?
During my time locked away in Waterdeep, I prepared a quite comprehensive speech for her on the subject of our former relationship and the manner in which it ended. Alas, recent events have rendered the majority of it moot, so I'm going to have to improvise. Unless you have any words of wisdom to impart before I go.
Demandez son pardon, Gale. C'est peut-être votre seul espoir de guérir l'orbe.
You're right. A heartfelt apology is the surest way to a goddess's heart and her favor. I pray that she'll be in a forgiving mood. If she weren't the one, I'd be praying too. I'll only be gone for a matter of moments. The Outer Planes experience time quite differently to our own. Wait for me. Please.
of Waterdeep. You look well.
Mystra. I never thought we'd speak again like this. Why am I here?
There is much unsaid between us, but time runs ever short. You discovered what lies at the heart of the Absolute, the crown of Karsus. And you disobeyed my instruction. Why?
I didn't want to die. And when I saw the crown, I thought I might not have to, if I only understood its power.
And you believe you have the right to such an understanding? The past cannot be undone with self-pity, nor can a future be forged. Only with the truth will you see the way ahead. The fragment of magic you tried to return to me was not of my creation. It was the Karsite Weave. It is a corrupted, half-born magic, wrought in the brief moment Karsus ascended to godhood. It hungers for power, just as he did, and it can never be sated. You unleashed something that would consume all magic in existence, and yet you thought only of preserving yourself.
That can't be. It wasn't. It couldn't have been. I only wished to prove myself worthy. I had no idea.
You were already worthy. What you lacked was patience, and it cost you dearly. When the Karsite Weave entered your body, your gifts were the first thing it consumed. The only reason the orb sleeps is because I have allowed it to feed on the true weave. A temporary measure, but one that will not be enough to save us. With each day that passes, the Elder Brain threatens to become a new kind of god. Its worshippers, a scourge of soulless illithids. If you will not use the orb to end this abomination, then you must find a way to separate crown and host. When you've done this, you must surrender the crown of Karsus to me.
I won't let you down again. When the Absolute is vanquished, I will surrender Karsus's powers to you. You have my word.
Thank you. May the Weave's light guide your purpose, and its wisdom guide your hand. The future of magic rests on your shoulders, Gale of Waterdeep. I promise you, it is a burden you are strong enough to bear.
Ça me réjouit pas trop de lui donner la couronne.
Divine protectors of Baldur's Gate.
Back on mortal soil once more. I can't believe I saw it. After all this time.
Comment vous sentez-vous maintenant que vous l'avez vu?
Relieved. Drained. Proud of myself for summoning the courage to go to her in the first place, and, if I'm being totally honest, a bit lightheaded. As if it wasn't enough to have seen her again. She didn't exactly summon me there for small talk. The Karsite Weave. Within me this whole time. I knew the orb was no ordinary ball of magic before it to be Karsus's malignant creation. Gods! How did I not see that?
Il est bien trop facile de négliger ceci ou cela quand le désir nous aveugle.
True enough. There's a reason such unwitting heroes have been the backbone of Lyrican legend for as long as both have existed. Even so, I was hardly some naive apprentice at the time. I considered myself an archmage, and yet was fool enough to be mistaken for a common conjurer. At least now I'm armed with the truth. And Mistra's expectations. Once I bring the crown of Karsus to her, I can put everything right. The orb, too. I'll be myself again. For all that's worth.
Nous vous guérirons, je vous en fais la promesse.
Thank you. There aren't many I'd trust to stand beside me on such a journey. Fewer still who would do so because they believed I deserved such a chance. If I could promise you one thing in return for your faith in me, it's this. I will use everything in my power to ensure we defeat this evil. I will not let you down. Now, I believe we've a date with an Elder Brain to get to. Shall we?
Je pense qu'on s'arrêtait là pour cet épisode. Je pense que dans le prochain, on ira se taper contre Cazador. Je pense que ça pourrait être sympa. Voilà. Du coup, je vous fais des bisous et je vous dis à la prochaine. Salut YouTube!